Hey guys, Rick for Songs here, back in our video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Matroda walk in the spot. So the final result will sound like this. So other presets and drums are coming from the pack Dirty Tech Firm 2. So if you want the sound, make sure to check the link down below. Besides that, you can download the project file in my Patreon. It's all linked in the description. So now let's dive into the video. First gonna make the bass, then the lead sounds. So let's get started. So now let's dive into the bass sound sounding like this. So select the preset. We're gonna make it from scratch. So it's like a square wave. Then we're gonna filter it. First oscillator gonna be 2 octaves down, the second one 1 octave down. It's actually a fairly simple patch, so shape the filter like this. Put it to drive a little bit. Slap mono to avoid overlapping. Then we're gonna shape the envelope, just drag down the sustain a little bit. And bump out the release. Then the only thing we're going to do is add some downsample distortion, so just to add some more high end to the sound. Drive going to be up a little bit more, just one here. Then we're going to mix it in, just to add some more higher harmonics to the sound. Then the last thing we're going to do is add some punch to it, with a short decay to the master tuning. Just like this. And that's already it for the bass line. So together with the drums, it will sound like this. The drums are just a simple kick and clap sound. So now let's dive into the leads. So we have 2 lead sounds sounding like this. And this. So they sound quite complex, but actually they're really simple. Just 2 saw waves. So for the first one, is this saw wave modulated with a PWM, giving this kind of effect. Besides that, 2 octaves up. Then route the envelope to the chorus switch, which, as you can hear, will boost it 2 octaves up. Then the main part of the sound is this LFO sound with a fine tune, which takes it from a normal saw to a much more grittier saw. Besides that, we route it to the PWM as well, giving this kind of effect. Then we filtered it as well, just cut off some highs of the sound. So without the filter. And with the filter, it sounds like this. Then we boosted the highs with EQ, which will really open up the sound a bit more. Some reverb and hyperdimension. So together with the bass line, it will sound like this. As you can hear, we also automated the LFO rate just to slow down. And we pitched it down as well. So that's it for the first lead. Now let's dive into the second one. So the second lead sounds like this. It's a saw wave as well, but it's heavily filtered. So without a filter, it sounds like this, and with a filter, it sounds like this. So that really makes a difference in sound. So the filter is a bomb pass filter, with a frequency just around here. Then we also did the same thing with the LFO, right into the fine tune. So for the processing, we just have some diode to distortion, some chorus, reverb, and EQing, just boosting up the highs a little bit more, and the mid sounds. So that's it for leads. Altogether, the sound will sound like this. And that's it for the Matroda remake. So if you like the video, please leave a like. To see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.